Here's a look at the top of the crypto market. And what jumps out right away is that Bitcoin alone is worth an astonishing $1,288 billion. That's a staggering figure, and we're going to break down exactly how it got there in just a minute. So you're wondering what $1,288.4 billion means to your wallet? Well, let's put it into perspective. That's a staggering amount of money that could buy a lot of things like a small country's GDP or even the entire U.S. national debt. But for you, it might mean something more tangible, like the potential value of your own cryptocurrency investments or the impact on global markets that can affect your savings and retirement funds. We're seeing Ethereum's market cap hovering around $224.7 billion. That's a significant chunk of change. This puts it right behind Bitcoin in terms of overall value. And we can start to see why this might be an important milestone as we build the case for its massive counterpart, Bitcoin, which is currently sitting at a whopping $1,288.4 billion. We're seeing some massive numbers here, and Tether, USDT, is right up there with $184 billion. This huge market cap is another key player that's contributing to the overall cryptocurrency landscape, which we'll be exploring further as we build our case toward a staggering total of $1,288.4 billion. We're seeing BNB come in at a whopping $74.9 billion, which puts it right behind Ethereum's market cap of $224.7 billion, but still a significant player in the crypto landscape. This number shows us that Binance Coin is gaining traction and making its presence known among the top cryptocurrencies. We're seeing some serious growth from USDC, with its market cap now sitting at $72.6 billion. This puts it right behind Tether as one of the top stablecoins out there, and it's clear that investors are putting their trust in this reliable digital dollar equivalent. We're seeing some significant market presence from XRP, with its value sitting at a whopping $67.9 billion. This puts it firmly in the top tier of cryptocurrencies. And as we continue to explore the biggest players out there, it's clear that XRP is definitely one to watch, especially when you consider where this number fits into the larger landscape of the market. We're taking a look at the market cap of some of the biggest cryptocurrencies right now. The chart shows us that Bitcoin is still leading the pack, with a massive market cap of $1,288.4 billion. That's over $1 trillion shy of its all-time high. But what's interesting is that Ethereum has been gaining ground, and it's currently in second place with a market cap of $224.7 billion. The overall shape of this chart shows us that the market is relatively stable, but we can see some fluctuations. It's not a straight line up or down, but more of an even keel. This stability means that investors are feeling pretty confident about these top cryptocurrencies. Let's look at the numbers. Now we're back to the biggest player of them all, Bitcoin. With a whopping market capitalization of $1,288.4 billion. It's clear why this cryptocurrency is still leading the pack. But remember, that number isn't just some abstract figure. It represents the combined value of every single Bitcoin in circulation. Let's break down the top 3 cryptocurrencies right now: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Bitcoin is worth an astonishing $1,288.4 billion, making it by far the largest cryptocurrency out there. Ethereum comes in second with a market value of $224.7 billion. And then there's Tether, which has a significant presence at $184 billion. What does this mean for you? If you're considering investing in cryptocurrencies, these numbers give you an idea of where to start looking. And the bigger players are likely to have more liquidity and stability. We got a snapshot of the biggest cryptocurrencies right now, and it's time to crunch some numbers. Bitcoin takes the top spot with an impressive $1,288.4 billion, followed closely by Ethereum at $224.7 billion. Tether is hot on their heels with $184.0 billion, but BNB and USDC are giving them a run for their money with $74.9 and $72.6 billion respectively. XRP rounds out the top 5 with $67.9 billion, while Solana and Tron bring up the rear at $43.1 and $31.4 billion. That's the math nobody shows you. Thanks for joining us on The Numbers. Don't forget to subscribe for more finance explained in a way that's easy to understand.